Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur your background on Amazon Chime. Keep watching the video till the end. To blur background on Amazon Chime, firstly open your Amazon Chime application. The home page of Amazon Chime will appear on the screen. Click on the little gear icon on the top left corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Background Blur option. Select the level of background blur strength you want for your videos in meetings, that is from low to high range, and then click on Done. This is how you can blur background on your Amazon Chime meetings quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.